So where did it all go wrong? When it comes to 3D printing, it can be very difficult to get into it just because of the steep learning curve and all the things that could possibly go wrong with 3D printing. So we broke our users down into 3 different categories, starting with our consumer. These are people who want to buy a 3D model and have it printed for them without having to buy a printer, because they can't justify the cost of buying a printer for this one-time use. So we have producers, which is our second type of user. These are users who already own a 3D printer and want more uses for it and to potentially make more money. And then we have our third user, our commercial users. These are companies that need massive amounts of products produced in a short amount of time. High volume orders are a thing that we can handle. Next.
So it's time to make it right. We want to make 3D printing as simple as possible for all our consumers. First, we'll start with our consumers who don't have a 3D printer. We're going to make it so that they don't even need a 3D printer to get their model printed. Next, for our producers, we're going to make it so that they can bring in additional customers and make some additional revenue using their 3D printer. Lastly, for our commercial side, we want to make it so that we can scale up to high volume orders by spreading that load across multiple printers to be able to handle any order that they throw at us.